Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this device. To get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool that will come provided with the device, hopefully, in the box, but if it's not there or you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now the fancy one I have right here is actually provided by a device that costs a fraction of the price, and they had the guts to actually give you something that looks nice and is fun to use instead of the actual garbage that you probably get with this one. Anyway, the tray that you're looking for is located on the bottom left side of the device, so right over here. You want to push it in and you'll see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. And on the tray you only have space for a single SIM card. Now you technically could use two different SIM cards, but one of them would be an eSIM. I don't have an eSIM code or whatever it is you're using, I think like a QR code or whatever, so I'm just going to be using the physical card. Place it on the tray. Now be careful, there is nothing holding this card in place, so if you flip it over it just straight up falls out because apparently retention springs are too expensive for Apple. Anyway, we're going to now pop it back into the device and the card should start working right away. So there we go. So it's telling me to enter your SIM pin. Once you do so, it unlocks the SIM card and it should be good to go. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.